Okay, so just picked up the rest of the tin for the roof. 2x10 and a 2x6 for today. This helps. Alright, so today we're going to finish that roof. I went and got some 10 sheets from Lowe's. We're going to finish that side, and then we're going to finish this side, a little bit on the back, and then the roof will be done. I also have my Derpy Wolf Remington, the Husky, out here for emotional support.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song. Press me to your where roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems
So I would have been done with this side, except Remington over there. Come here, dog. Come here. Decided that he wanted to go on an excursion. So I had to chase him through the woods, about a mile, that way, down the mountain. And yeah, he was free. He was living his best life. Huskies, by the way, if you don't know, have horrible recall. They'll come when they want to, not when you tell them. So I had to play some games with him. I got him back. Now let me get back to work. It's done. So I got all of that tin on this side put in. Had to cut all those sheets and then make sure they lined up. They line up pretty well. It's not exactly perfect, but it'll do. I'm not a carpenter or a roofer. I know how to build things. And so there's what I built. Now I can move on to the next project. And it really needs to be that shower house. But I don't feel like doing that today. So I think, let me turn this around. I think that I'm going to put the outdoor kitchen right here on a deck. We'll see, it'll probably be out there a little bit in between these trees. So that's about, I don't know, 6 foot or so, and I'll make it about 6 foot deep maybe. But we'll see. As far as this roof goes, it's finished. I got I put that piece of tin right there because I didn't have quite enough, and then all of those right there. So now there's Remington. So now there's a roof on the whole balcony. And right here where this little gap is, there'll be I'm gonna put a gutter system right there, and it'll feed down into a little rain collection barrel. I'll have to build a little deck right here to put that barrel on, and then that'll gravity feed down to the shower house. So we'll have water. I have a inline filter that I purchased. So the rain collection barrel already has a screen on top of it to keep like debris and sediment out of it mostly. And then I bought an inline filter for like a camper or RV. So that's a carbon water filter that hooks in line with the water hose. So I'll put that right at the spigot. I'll get another sediment filter. It's like a wire screen mesh. Put that in front of that, and then that'll run out of the barrel right here and feed into the shower house. Now, be clean enough to take a shower in. I probably wouldn't drink it unless you put some chlorine tablets or something in it, or filtered it even more. But you could, I guess, if you wanted to, but I wouldn't. So the rain barrel will go, there'll be a gutter on that. Rain barrel will go right here. I gotta build a little stanchion stand. Probably gonna take it off the ground there because it's gonna be heavy. It's a 55-gallon water barrel. So it won't be light when it's full. But look at that roof. Look at that. It's finished, finally. You know, we started this, Frank, my riding buddy who does roofs, helped me do the framing for the rafters back in, I think it was January. And then I came back out here with my dad and put on most of the sheet metal and the ridge cap, but didn't have enough, so I just got it done today. It's April 15th is the date today, I think. But look at the view. Look at it. Say hi, Remington. So now I gotta clean up this mess, and then I'll start on the next project. So as you can see, it's not a far walk, maybe 8 foot, but the deck there is 8 foot by 6 foot, true 8 foot by 6 foot. And then the back posts are about 5.5 foot off the ground. Front posts, they're like 9, but I'll cut them down to like 7 or so, and it'll slant back towards the back. Like I said, I'll put a back wall on that with some tin. I'll build a bench that'll have all the cooking equipment on it, as well as the cooler. Do some side rails on there, and it should look good. So we'll have the kitchen next to the shower house. You walk underneath this deck here, that's gonna have the bell tent on it. The bell tent will be here. Underneath the deck will be a picnic table and some swinging chairs and hammocks and stuff to hang out in. And then when you walk out of your tent, this will be your view. Of course, you won't have a dog like that one, unless you do have a husky like that one. And there'll be a couch right here, a L-shaped couch with a coffee table in the middle. And there'll be 2 stools right there so you can sit and have a beer or a glass of wine or some coffee at that little table and enjoy the view of the forest and the reservoir peeking through right there. Doesn't pick up very well on the camera, but you can definitely see the water. Especially when the sun's up in the sky, it reflects off of it like a mirror. We've got that 3-person hammock down there you can hang out on. And then down there I have a fire pit to go on that deck. That's going to be called the fire deck. It's going to have a fire pit on it, propane powered fire pit, and then a bunch of lounging chairs, outdoor chairs that you could just hang out down there too as well. And we'll have a bunch of cool lights up here, and there'll be a fan up there, battery powered, and I'm going to put a wind turbine generator over there to power the EcoFlow batteries that I have. So you'll be able to charge your phone, plug up a lamp, plug up the Icy Breeze portable AC, which is awesome, and have a great time out here while you're camping in the Uwharrie Mountains. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and the notification bell so you can see all of the videos and updates on this ultimate bell tent glamp site out here in the Uwharrie Mountains.